What's wrong with the Alabama Human Life Protection Act, the AKA the Alabama abortion ban? One, it strips away the rights of women to choose and it violates the 14th Amendment. The purpose of my presentation today is to persuade my audience, either pro-choice or pro-life, that the Alabama abortion ban, should allow the choice for a woman to choose if she would like to have an abortion in the case of rape or incest. All right, here we go. Imagine your 15-year-old daughter going to the store, and on her way back, a van pulls up. A man jumps out, snatches her, take her to a remote area in the woods, and has his way with her, use and abuse your daughter. And within 5 days, you come and find out that your daughter is pregnant with his baby. What would you do? What would you think? Okay, my daughter, you're gonna have the rape man baby, or I will have an abortion because I don't want my wife, or my bad, I don't want my daughter to be thinking about every time she look at her son or daughter, this is the rape man baby. But guess what? With these new laws, you can't do nothing. You can't do anything because there's no rule in it that states where if you get raped, you can terminate the process. You still will have to have that baby. Okay? Think about it. And imagine a 13-year-old daughter going to stay at her cousin's house, spend the night, only to have her drunk uncle come in at 3 in the morning, go down to the basement where she's laying, and rapes her. Use and abuse her. Then 3 days later, you find out because she wakes up throwing up, vomiting, feeling nauseous, and you find out that she was raped by her uncle. And with that being said, just think about it. What you let her do. You let her have the baby. Your brother-in-law, got your daughter pregnant. But guess what? You can't do anything. Because in the state of Alabama, with the new laws, you will have to have that baby. Think about it. 13-year-olds, your daughter, her uncle. No laws. You have to have the baby. And now with these laws, they are some of the toughest ones in America. Because if a doctor attempts a abortion, that's a Class C felony. A Class C felony is a person would get up to 10 years to a year and a day in prison. And if he performs one and somebody finds out, it's a Class A felony. A Class A felony is a felony where a person can get up to life or no more than 99 years or no less than 10 years. So which doctor would jeopardize his license for that? No one. So with these laws, they forget about the Roe versus Wade. On January 27, 1973, the Supreme Court ruled that a woman had the right to have an abortion under the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. But now, 2019, they're trying to take these rights away. So with that, I say, think about those situations that I just brought up. Your 15-year-old pregnant by the rape man. Your 13-year-old pregnant by her uncle. What would you do? Think about it. Whether you're pro-life, pro-choice, or I'm just pro-rights. I feel you should have the right to make the decision about what you want to do with your body in those situations. So mentally, if a person can't maintain mentally, it was their choice to have that baby, but it's not something forced upon them by the government. So with that, for you all who are pro-life, and for you all who are pro-choice, think about those scenarios. And I hope I persuade you guys to think about that when you put yourself in those positions with your daughter being raped or having incest with family. My name's Stephen Moore. I hope y'all enjoyed this speech, and I hope I persuade you guys. All right. Thank you.